Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and I hope you guys are doing good, are in good health. So today's video is going to be Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul. Yay! So yes, I did a lot of shopping, of course, and yep, we'll be talking about all these products, but it won't be kind of in a mini review which I usually give in my haul, because I've got like a lot of products and I don't want to stretch the video. So of course, or maybe like if I won't able to complete it, we'll be doing a second part. But yeah, I really want to do it like in a one go. So yep, so let's begin this video. But before that, subscribe कर देना channel को, bell button भी hit कर देना, and you can follow me on Instagram. The handle is anupriya_diaries. Link will be in the description box. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so but before starting today's video, I really want to put out like a little disclaimer over here that I do not promote impulsive buying, and that is for sure. So you should be someone who is actually investing in a product if they actually want it, or like if they actually want to try it, or someone who has like a professional, or of course has a YouTube channel just like me, who just want to get the products for herself and also for her users that they might invest it in or not, because in that way you're of course securing and saving your money and also the resources. So yes, with this positive note, let's talk about the first product, and this is going to be the foundations. So in foundation, I got like 3 foundations, and of course I wanted to try out. Then I have my wedding like in few months, so of course I had to prepare my own kit and then everything. So I got like 3 foundations. So the first foundation is this one. Now this one is the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation enriched with avocado plus mango butter, and this is the outer box, authentic K Beauty packaging, and the shade which I've got is 135N medium, which I think like a little darker for my skin tone, and like it's not a problem. Like I'm gonna mix it with some other foundations and I will make it work, but I think I should have gone like a 1 shade lighter. So yep, I'll take care of it in next time, of course. So this is the inner bottle, and everything like the prices and the links will be in the description box, and the prices will be on the screen. So yeah, so this is the inner bottle, and it comes with a pump, which is so good, right? So yeah, this is the first foundation, and then the second one which I've got is the Milani foundation. Now this one is the Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and the shade which I've got is 05, and it also comes with a pump, which is really nice. I really like its fragrance, like it's very mild and it's very good, you know. Then this is a kind of a satin kind of finish of foundation, and it you can build it up. It goes up to like a full coverage, and the K Beauty one is like a kind of a sheer, or like you can build it up, but it won't go up to like a medium kind of a coverage. So yes, this is about that. And then the third foundation which I've got is from the MAC. So finally I got my hands on the MAC foundation. I really wanted to try this one, and the shade which I've got is NC35, and I actually tested for this MAC foundation. So like this was the closest shade. Now this is more towards the neutral but with a warm undertone, like a little bit. So that is going to be my perfect match, and I'm really happy. Now the only thing is that it doesn't come with like a dropper or something, or even with a stick. So it's kind of bad thing, because the pump itself is costly, and I'm so happy that I got my MAC foundation. So yeah, this is the bottle, and this is the outer packaging. So of course I'll be sharing my in detail review for all these foundation in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. So this is the third purchase. The next product which I've got is from the pack. It's a micro finish makeup fixer, and this is the outer box. Now every detail is given on the box itself, and this is the inner bottle. Looks like it's really nice and classy kind of in a bottle, and it's like 120 ml, and everything like all the details and how to use it and all the instructions is given on the back side of the bottle, and the particles are really nice. Like look at this, such mild sort of, and it looks so fresh and it feels so fresh, which is so nice. So yeah, this is the next purchase. And so the next product is from the Sugar Cosmetics. It is their Aquaholic Priming Moisturizer, and this is the inner tube, and it is such a nice one. I really like these kinds of primers. So yeah, I think it will look so good with the matte foundations, or like you can apply it directly also, like if you don't wanna get any foundation or sort of BB or CC cream, so you can just go ahead with this one. So this is the purpose I got my hands on this one, and yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Now the next product is from the Innisfree. Now Innisfree is basically a Korean brand, and this is the one I got. So like earlier something I ordered and it was from the Innisfree, and I got like a sample testing sort of in a packet, and it is their Jeju Volcanic Color Clay Mask. It's in for the brightening, and basically it's the tube of 70 ml, and I really enjoyed this one. Like it is so damn good. It actually gives you that sort of brightness on your face, which looks so nice. So this is the inner tube, and here you get the product. It's a nozzle kind of thing, and it's a really nice one. Like I have tried the sample tube, and then I thought that I should invest in the bigger. So yeah, that's the reason I got this pack. So the next product which I've got is from the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and I know you guys have heard about it. It's such a trending product, so yeah, it needs no explanation. So I got my hands on this one. Now all the details and everything is given on the back of the packaging, which is really nice, and this is the inner packaging. Here you get the mascara. So I haven't opened it, and yeah, I'm quite excited to try this one. Okay, so like all of these products are not exactly for my wedding. Like I have to keep it like aside, some of them, like most of them actually, but some of them I just wanted to try out, and like I'll be sharing my reviews sooner in my other videos for sure. But like I had to prepare my kit, so I thought that sale is a good time I should start my shopping with. So yeah, you can see all those products in here. Okay, so the next product is the lipsticks which I've got. So let me talk about the lipsticks first, because I can see a lot of lipsticks lying over here. So the first two lipsticks which I've got are from Miss Claire. Now this shade is the 11th shade, and this is the 12th shade, and it's their matte powder lip color, and this is the outer box. You get like all the ingredients written over here, and all the price money and everything is over here. And the outer box looks really pretty. It's a sort of a pinkish kind of a rose gold packaging, which are really nice. And this is the inner packaging. Now this shade number 11 is a sort of a pink shade, which is such a vibrant one. Look at this, look at the shade. It is so nice. I just love these kinds of shades, so I got my hands on this one. And then the next shade is a sort of a brown tone, a mixed shade, and this is the shade number 12 if I'm not wrong. And the formula is such a lightweight one, and I'm really loving it. So this on the screen, like it is looking sort of in a maroonish, but it is sort of in a rusted orange and red mixed sort of a shade, which looks really nice. So once they dry out, they just pop. So that's a good thing about the liquid lipsticks, of course. So this is the another shade which I've got. And then I got one lipstick from K Beauty. It's a shade Rolling. So this is the outer packaging right here, and shade is so beautiful. I'm like, wow, this is such a nice shade. So this is what the swatch look like. It's a sort of a maroonish brown shade, which is such a perfect one for weddings, of course, and then you can try out for other occasions, festive occasions, meetings. So such bright and dark color looks so good. Like I'm a fan of more of a neutral shades, and I have a lot of neutral lipsticks, new lipsticks, but I really wanted to try out some dark shades also. So that is the reason that I got these to put it in my kit, and yeah, that's the reason. Okay, now the next shade which I got is a kind of a lip and cheek tint, and it's from the Earth Rhythm. this is the outer box and everything is given on the packaging, and this is the shade. Now when I have saw it on the phone, the shade was really nice and sort of a light shade, but when I saw this bottle, I was like, oh my god, this is such a dark one, and I don't think it will look for like a cheek tint sort of a thing. Of course, it will look good for the lip one, but for the cheek one. But when I swatched it and looked at the color difference, it is such a difference. Like, it's so different. You can see it. Like, it's too dark, but this one is very light, and when you are going to blend it out, it will just look very normal, you know. Such a kind of, you're doing like a nude makeup sort of a look and you just want to go high with your blush and everything. See, such a nice kind of a very toned mixed color which looks really nice. So yes, this is the next purchase. All the product links will be in the description box, so of course you can check it out. And I will be posting like some reviews later, which I'm not pretty sure, but yeah, I'll try. So yes, of course you can tell me in the comment section like for which products you want to see, so we'll get back to that. Okay, now the next lipstick is from the L'Oreal. I've got like 2 shades of them, and these 2 are the one. Now this one is the I Decide and this one is the I Amaze. Now again, the I Decide shade is a sort of a pink shade, which is like a very light shade actually, and I don't have such kind of a pink shade with me, so I thought that I should give it a try. Now look at this one. It's such a nice pink with a little hint of orange, maybe. It's more of a warm tone wala lipstick, and this one is too neutral, like it's not in the warm or pink tone, and this one is more in towards the warm tone. So yeah, this is such a perfect one. Now I really like the packaging of these lipsticks. They are the glass of frosted tube, and there you get like a cap, which is so pretty. So yeah, this is the next shade which I've got, and the next shade is I Amaze, and this is a sort of in a brown shade, which is such a pretty one. Like, I was looking out for the MAC World, if you have heard about that shade, and I was confused between these 2, so I thought that I should invest in like cheaper wala. So I went ahead. This one is the brown shade, you guys. It is so pretty one, and I'm really excited to try all these lipsticks out. And then I got my hands on this Nykaa lipstick. It's their So Creamy Matte lipstick, and this is the shade Deja Nude, if I'm not wrong. Yes, and this is the shade right here. Now this is very similar to the MAC World shade. So yeah, I researched, and of course I went ahead to buy this one. I think this retail for $200 or like $250 maybe, and that the mini version is for 1,000. So I went for this one. But as I really wanted to try out so many lipsticks, so I thought that let's invest in MAC Minis. So yes, I got myself these 2 MAC Mini. Like, I have one earlier, like the Ruby Woo shade. I really love that red shade. Oh my god, it's such a favorite shade in my red lipsticks categories. But then this time I went ahead with 2 more shades from MAC Cosmetics, and of course I went with the mini version. Now this one is the shade Flat Out Fabulous, and this is what the shade looks like. It's sort of a pink shade which looks really nice. So let me swatch it for you, and you are going to love this shade. This is the shade right here. If you can see, like, all 3 pinks are really different, so I haven't like went ahead with the same pink, of course. So this is the pink, and oh my god, it's so beautiful. And I really love MAC lipsticks fragrances. They are so nice. Like, it actually feels like it's a vanilla or something, and yeah, that is it. So this is the one, and in the second shade I went ahead with the famous MAC best-selling shade. It's the shade Meher, and this is what Meher looks like. So I mean, I really wanted to go ahead with this one because I didn't have any sort of a nude shade in this one. So this one is a sort of a pink nude, but with a little hint of browns. But the pink is such on a dominant side, if I'll say. So this is the swatch right here, and I really love like this lipstick. I really love it. The shade, I really wanted to have the shade, but let's see. I'm gonna give it a shot now. I'm so happy that I got this. Okay, so the next thing which I've got is in a set of a combo. So basically these two products I got in the combo. Now this one is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. This is what I really wanted to try out, and I got like an offer, and it was in I guess $1,000 only. I got this, and then I got Too Faced this gloss in the shade Sunset Crush. And when I received it, I was so glad. Look at the packaging, right? It's so classy. It's such a even kind of packaging. It's so beautiful and pretty. I was so excited. Now this is basically kind of a gloss with hints of like monochromatic looks. Maybe it has like golden and then pink sort of thing. So this is the shade. If you can look, like it's very light, and I think I'm so excited to try this one. So let's see how I'm going to use this one. So this is the one, and then the lip injection look like this. So basically it's kind of a lip plumber product which I really wanted to try out. So this is the wand, and this is the bottle, and I'm so excited to try both these products out. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. And then the next thing, I got my K Beauty Kajal. Now in my last video, if I'm not wrong, I have told you guys like okay, in my affordable makeup kit I recommended you guys this kajal. So I got my hands again on this kajal, and I'm so happy I got this one. Oh my god, I'm so happy again. So this is the outer packaging, and this is the authentic K Beauty Kajal, and here is the swatch, you guys. Such a nice one, smudge proof, such a perfect kajal. And then I got my hands on this Sugar Chemistry lip scrub. Now it is their rose, blood orange and rose hip organic lip scrub. So this is the bottle look like, and the smell is so good, so good. So if you know me, I've been loving their lip balm, and I really wanted to try out their lip scrub. So yeah, let's see how it's gonna work out for me. And then I got my hands on this one. Now this one is from the Face Shop, their Smart Peeling. It's a kind of a scrub pack, and this was recommended by Shreya Jan in one of her top 10 scrubs, if I'm not wrong. And I really wanted to try out from that time, and yeah, this is the next product. And then I got my hands on these two lipsticks right there. Now this one is from the Smashbox X Malvika, and I got like two shades. So earlier, like in one of the Nykaa sale only, I got like two shades from Smashbox. One was the Base, and the second one was the Gulabe. And this time I got these two shades. Now I got the Driver's Seat, which is such a famous shade from the Smashbox category. So this is the color. It looks so pretty, so pretty. And this is the Babe Alert. I'm really sorry for all these messy swatches, but let's deal with it. Alright, so this is the next product, and then I got my hands on something very different which I really wanted to try. So I thought that it's a good time, let's buy this. So I got eye mask, and these are from Toli Moly Timeless Ferment Snail Eye Mask, and I've got like one. I really wanted to try, and if it's gonna turn out good, because I have heard like they actually like gives you like a brightening effect under your eyes, and you all know I have dark circles. So I thought that let me try these, and if it turns out good, I'm gonna invest in them. So I got like one only. So this is the one. Okay, so next product is this Swiss Beauty Ka primer. Now this is such a famous primer. It's kind of an illuminating primer, and the shade which I've got is in a golden tint. And this is the bottle, you guys. I mean, Swiss Beauty is like killing their packaging. They are nailing it. So yeah, and you get like a pump, and let me show you the product first. So this is the product, you guys. It gives you such a nice pretty sheen. You can wear it under like moisturizers or something. And the chunky particles, if you talk about, no, they don't have it, like the glitter particles maybe. So yeah, they don't have it like visible or something. If you like go like very detailed way, if you want to see it, then you might see, but I don't think like they blend very nicely. So yeah, this is the next product. So guys, those were all the products, and then when I shopped for all these things, I got like few goodies also which were free. So let's show it to you. So the first thing is this Nykaa pouch, and I think it must be received by everyone who has shopped like more than for 5,000. So this is the pouch right here, and you get like a Janhvi Kapoor autograph, which is pretty cool. So this is the packaging. It's a kind of a very classic makeup pouch, but yeah, I'm liking it. All that you love. Alright, so this is the one. And then the next thing, when I shopped for this lip injection, so I got this fan from Too Faced. It's so nice. Like, I don't know. Like, this is the fan, you guys. It's such a cool one. Like here, it will be written like Too Faced. Yeah, I got this one. Got is the Plum Clay Mask. Now it does not going to be handy for me because I don't have like the acne prone or the combination skin. So this is the packaging bottle, and the fragrance is really nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So I think I'm gonna give this to my mom or my sister because they have sort of a combination oily skin. So yeah, it will be helpful for them. And then I received this Nykaa Kajal. It's the Black Magic Kajal, and it was a free with some Nykaa items. So yeah, I got this one. And then I got this Miss Clear lipstick in the shade 06. Now this one is very very light, and this is going to be like wash me out. So I'll give it to my sister maybe, or my mom. दोनों में से जिसको भी अच्छा लगे. So this is the shade. And then I got this mascara from Maybelline. It's their Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. I think it's a traveler size, or maybe it comes like this. So this is the wand basically. It's pretty nice. And yeah, I got this one as a free gift. So guys, this was the complete thing which I've got along with all my purchase. So yep, this was a complete video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please like कर देना, comment कर देना, and मुझे बताना कि कौन से products आप लोगों ने भी Nykaa sale में buy करा हुआ है, and the next product which you wanna buy. So yep, with all this note, let's meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care, you guys.